Today we're going to show you how to pair your foot pedal to your Garmin Force Trolling Motor. The foot pedal is paired with the trolling motor at the factory, but you may need to pair them again if the connection is broken. You will need the Force Trolling Motor connected to power. You will also need the foot pedal either connected to power or powered with batteries. First, bring the foot pedal within 3 feet of the display panel. On the trolling motor display panel, press the power button 3 times to enter pairing mode. The motor status indicator will illuminate blue as it searches for a connection. Disconnect the foot pedal from power and then reconnect it. Within 30 seconds of powering the pedal back on, press and hold the anchor lock button until the pedal status LED illuminates blue. The blue LED indicates that the pedal is searching for a connection and then turns off when it pairs successfully. The motor status indicator on the display panel of the motor then changes to green when the connection is successful. And that's it! For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.